Hey, it's Renzo Buckingham from Family Home Improvements. I'm here in the city of Whittier today. We're doing a window project. The reason this window project is special and we're here today is the front two windows are getting a sound package. Also sun shield. So these windows will reduce, the street is real busy. As you can hear, a car's gonna come by right now. You can hear it coming by, here it comes. It's a real busy street. Cars are flying and these people are having problems at night trying to sleep. So we have a unique window going in. We have two sound package windows that are going in the front. We're hoping to help them out and help them have a good night's sleep. Let's check it out. This is the window we were talking about. It has a sound package and sun shield. As you can see, it'll have like a gray tint to it. And later on, we'll do a sound test. And we're going to see how good of a sound package it is. We're going to see how, we're going to open it, we're going to close it, we're going to see some cars go by and come in, and we're going to see how much of a big improvement it is. So right now we can't hear anything but the noise inside the house. Now I'm going to open it. Lots of cars. No sound. Loud sound, you can hear the car going by. I can hear a bird. That is pretty incredible. So next time, just like, subscribe, check me out. Facebook, Instagram. Thanks. See you later.